Alkefjellet, also known as the Bird Cliffs of Svalbard, is a spectacular location renowned for its massive colony of Brünnich's guillemots. These towering basalt cliffs, rising over 100 meters from the icy waters of Hinlopen Strait, provide a dramatic nesting site for tens of thousands of birds. The cliffs themselves are a geological marvel, featuring dark dolerite intrusions within lighter limestone, creating a visually striking landscape. Alkefjellet is situated on the northeastern coast of Spitsbergen, the largest island in the Svalbard archipelago, specifically within the Hinlopen Strait. The sheer cliffs offer a degree of protection from land-based predators, though the guillemots are still vulnerable to aerial predators like the glaucous gull. What makes these cliffs especially striking is their columnar structure. While not as geometrically perfect as some basalt formations, they've weathered into dramatic towers and buttresses. Brünnich's guillemots are adept diverse, capable of reaching depths of up to 150 meters in search of fish. Some stand like freestanding pillars, creating natural channels where small boats can pass between them and the main cliff face. When summer brings warmer temperatures, meltwater from the nearby geological ice cap creates ephemeral waterfalls that pour down the dark rock faces. The contrast between the white water and black rock adds another layer to the already dramatic scene. The Brünnich's guillemots, about 90,000 breeding pairs, call these cliffs home during summer months. They're not alone though. The bird cliffs at Alkefjellet are like prime real estate. The vertical cliffs with tiny ledges are the most popular housing for the guillemots, as they offer the best protection against predators. The Brünnich's guillemots lay their eggs in this little ledge. The eggs are piriform, pear-shaped, making it less likely to roll off the cliffs. Once the chicks hatch, they instinctively know to stay very still on the cliff's edge until they are ready to jump off and head to the sea when they are about 20 to 21 days old. Once the chicks jump or are being pushed by the parents, they head to the sea with usually the male parent until they learn to feed and fly. The cliffs get especially busy during the breeding season. Parents constantly fly back and forth from fishing grounds, bringing meals to their chicks. The noise and activity can be overwhelming. Imagine thousands of birds calling, flying, diving, and squabbling over prime nesting spots. The sheer cliffs offer a degree of protection from land-based predators, though the guillemots are still vulnerable to aerial predators like the glaucous gull. The cliffs of Alkefjellet support more than just aerial life. Arctic foxes patrol the gentler slopes between the vertical cliffs and the glacier, hunting for fallen chicks or eggs. In the waters below, you might spot bearded or ringed seals, and the rich marine life that attracts so many seabirds also draws whales to the area. It is a popular tourist destination. Efforts are made to ensure minimal impact on the birdlife and the delicate ecosystem. Visitors are encouraged to be mindful of their surroundings and to respect the natural environment. Bird Cliffs of Alkefjellet is one of the must-see attractions of Svalbard.